Did you ever stop to think, while enjoying your favorite meal, how safe it is? Every day, we indulge in our favorite meals, blissfully unaware of the unseen danger lurking in the shadows. This danger is not some mythical beast or an alien invader, but something far more common yet equally threatening. It's the risk that comes with neglecting food safety. Imagine for a moment you're sitting down to your favorite meal, let's say, a juicy steak. Now, what if that steak was prepared in an environment that did not prioritize food safety? The result could be a nasty case of food poisoning or worse, contamination with a dangerous pathogen. Not so appetizing anymore, is it? Food safety is the invisible shield that protects us from such unpleasant scenarios. It is a set of practices and procedures designed to prevent contamination and foodborne illnesses. And it is crucial everywhere, from our home kitchens to the bustling restaurants we love to dine in, and the large-scale food processing facilities that feed nations. In our homes, simple practices like washing hands, using clean utensils, and properly storing food can make a world of difference. In restaurants and food processing facilities, it becomes even more critical. Sanitation, temperature control, and proper handling of raw materials are just a few of the many steps involved in ensuring food safety. So, the next time you're about to tuck into your favorite dish, remember the invisible shield of food safety that stands between you and potential harm. Imagine two kitchens, both serving the same delicious meals, yet one is a ticking time bomb of danger, while the other is a fortress of safety. Picture this. Our first kitchen, let's call it Kitchen A, is a whirlwind of activity. The head chef, let's call him Chef Lax, uses the same cutting board for raw meats and fresh veggies, oblivious to the invisible army of bacteria marching from one to the other. His sous chef, Sous Sloppy, has a knack for leaving the fridge door ajar, turning the cold storage into a lukewarm playground for microorganisms. And let's not even talk about the 5-second rule being a standard practice here. Now, switch your focus to Kitchen B. Here, Chef Vigilant runs a tight ship. A separate cutting board for raw meats and fresh produce? Check. A meticulously monitored fridge temperature? Double check. And the 5-second rule? Well, let's just say, if anything drops, it goes straight into the bin. No exceptions. In Kitchen A, the sink is a jumble of dirty dishes, a breeding ground for germs. In Kitchen B, dishes are immediately cleaned and sanitized, leaving no room for unwanted guests. In Kitchen A, Chef Lax often forgets to wash his hands, especially after sneezing or touching his face. In Kitchen B, Chef Vigilant and his team follow a strict hand-washing routine, ridding themselves of any unwelcome microscopic hitchhikers. Now, both these kitchens serve mouth-watering dishes. But while Kitchen A is an open invitation for foodborne illnesses, Kitchen B is a haven of cleanliness, where food safety is the secret ingredient in every dish. The difference here isn't just about who keeps a cleaner kitchen. It's about understanding the unseen risks that lurk in the shadows when food safety practices are ignored. It's about recognizing that every step, from storage to preparation to cooking, carries the weight of responsibility. The responsibility of serving not just tasty, but safe food. As you can see, the difference between these two kitchens is not just in their practices, but in the potential risks they pose to their customers. Now, you might be wondering, what are these food safety practices we keep talking about? Well, let's dive right in. First off, we have the cornerstone of food safety, hand hygiene. Now, this isn't just a quick rinse under a tap, oh no. This is about thoroughly washing hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. And it's not just after using the restroom, but also before handling food, after touching raw food, and after any interruption that may contaminate your hands. It's like a mini spa treatment for your palms that keeps the nasty bugs at bay. Next up, we have food storage, the unsung hero of the food safety world. This is about more than just stuffing your fridge to the brim. It's about understanding the temperature danger zone. That's between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way, where bacteria can multiply rapidly. It's about separating raw and ready-to-eat foods to avoid cross-contamination. And it's about checking use-by dates, because eating a yogurt that's older than your favorite pair of jeans is never a good idea. And then there's cleaning, the Cinderella of the kitchen. It's not just about making your kitchen sparkle, but about ensuring food preparation areas, utensils, and equipment are clean and free from bacteria. Regular cleaning and sanitizing can sweep away potential foodborne illnesses, just like Cinderella's broom sweeps the ashes. But why are these practices so important, you ask? Well, they're the first line of defense in preventing foodborne illnesses. They're the shield that protects your customers, your family, and you from harmful bacteria and viruses. They're the practices that ensure the food you serve is not only delicious, but also safe to eat. Following these golden rules of food safety can mean the difference between a satisfied customer and a health disaster. So, let's roll up our sleeves, wash those hands, store that food correctly, and keep our kitchens clean. Because when it comes to food safety, we're all in this together. Scene script. Knowledge is power, and in the world of food, it's the power to protect. Picture this. You're in the kitchen, apron on, ready to whip up a culinary masterpiece. But here's the catch. Every ingredient you handle, every utensil you use is a potential carrier of harmful bacteria. Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But it's the reality we live in. Now let's flip the script. Imagine you're armed with the knowledge of food safety. You know the proper temperatures to store food, the right way to handle raw produce, and the importance of keeping your kitchen clean. Suddenly, the kitchen doesn't seem like a battleground anymore, does it? This is the power of knowledge. It transforms the way we see and interact with our environment. It empowers us to take control and make informed decisions. In the context of food safety, knowledge is not just power. It's a shield that protects us, our families, and our customers from foodborne illnesses. But remember, this shield isn't exclusive to professional chefs or restaurant owners. It's accessible to everyone. The home cook preparing dinner for their family, the teenager making a sandwich, the professional chef in a bustling restaurant. Each one of us plays a crucial role in maintaining food safety standards. So, the next time you step into a kitchen, remember the power you hold in your hands. Use it wisely and keep the shield of food safety strong. Food safety is everyone's responsibility, and it starts with you. Let's take a stand, learn more about food safety, and apply these practices in our everyday lives. It's not just about us, it's about everyone we share our meals with. So, why not share this video too? Let's spread awareness. Let's make every mealtime a safe and joyful experience for all. Together, we can make every meal a safe and enjoyable experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more important topics like this one.